Hey guys, welcome to Crafting AVN. Just thought I'd share a few details about the product I made for those of you who may be interested. So let's get right to it. If you clicked on this video, then chances are you have been using the Moukey MTs10-2 Karaoke machine. And just like with me, your microphone holder probably broke on you. Well, using CAD software and 3D printing, I have created a generic replacement for this particular part. It is made of plastic, PLA to be specific, and for several months now, I've personally been using this for my karaoke machine, and so far it has been serving its purpose. I am quite satisfied with how it has held up at this point. Not only does the mic holder hold the mic when not in use, but it is also able to fold inward after the mic is removed. And when you're ready to take a break from singing, you can fold the mic holder back outward and place the mic back in. Two functionalities that are the same as the original part. With that said, I decided to sell what I have created, and I recommend you try it out too if you are in need of a microphone replacement holder. It is important to note though that this is not by any means an official Moukey part, and I am not affiliated with Moukey in any way. I am just a guy that likes to problem solve once in a while, and I came up with this as a result. So far, I have not found a replacement online, and hence why this has been created. If you are interested in purchasing this part, a link is provided in the description section. At this time, shipping is US only. See details in the product page. But do know international is on my mind for those interested and something I may explore in the future. Looking at the part closely, in terms of visual quality, the original Moukey part is superior. The replacement part that I created does not compare visually, for sure. But, without a doubt, the same functionality is there, as demonstrated in this video. If you have any questions, feel free to post them. I'll do my best to get to them at my earliest convenience. And thank you for watching this video.